Hi there everyone, it's Heather from Inspire Box with another episode of Come Hither with Heather. Today we're going to be talking about vowel modification. What does it mean? It basically means how we make little adjustments or changes to the way that you would normally pronounce a vowel sound. Okay, so that might be because you need to get better resonance, which is where sound bounces around. Better clarity, better control so that you can hit the note correctly. If you are transitioning between different parts of your range in a song, you will find this to be quite helpful because this is when it crops up. It's basically as you go up or down through your vocal range in a song, the resonance and the timbre of the vowel sound can change. So it can affect the quality of the lyric that you're singing. It could decide whether you're able to project or not. And sometimes you might just not be able to hit the note. So it gives you, by learning how to modify your vowels, it will help you maintain a consistent quality across your range. All right. So a couple of things to think about. If you are singing higher notes and the vowel is not working for you, change it to be more like an sound. So instead of like as in father, you want to think father, fa. So it's like Okay, so as you go higher, it can help. So again, drop that bottom jaw. When we're looking at the E vowel, it can help to change that to A instead. Again, that's you dropping that jaw and widening the mouth so we get better resonance, okay? And then you may find that you're able to hit the note no problem and the placement is correct. The same with O, you can change that to So you can modify it, and as you go higher, you can change, say for example, the word go. You can change it to ga. So instead of going go, you could be like go. So it's like go. What you want to do is practice vowels. It's not just about practicing one vowel. It's about working through your register with different vowels to establish where are the vowels a challenge for you. Do you struggle with certain vowels at certain pitches? If you do, try modifying them. Okay? Hope that's been helpful. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.